In this section, I will let you know how can you write a comment line in your code. There are multiple way of writing comment lines in code. This is the example of writing a Java document, and this is written inside a block comment. This is a copyright statement, and this is written inside also a block comment. There is a shortcut how can you write this block comment. Okay, let's say I'll write some block comment here. For that you have to simply type /* and then press enter or return key in your Mac. Okay, now whatever the statement you will write, this will be not compiled with your program. Well, so this is a Java document that describes this class details. How can you write it? Simply write / type **, press return or enter based upon your Mac or Windows system. You can see the author name will be populated automatically, and you can write the description of this class. This is a class for whatever you can write. Well, and this is a method, this is the main method, and inside that, let's say I have few line of code. This is there are 2 line of code here. You can see I have commented it with block comment. Let me uncomment it. How can you uncomment it? If you are using a Mac system, press Ctrl Command and /. This will uncomment your code. And if you like to comment once again, select the line of codes just using the touchpad or the mouse cross, press Ctrl Command and /. Very simple. Now these lines of code will not be compiled with this class. Here there is another block comment. This describes the Java document for this method. You can write it. The shortcut is just type /* and press enter or return. Another way of commenting is single line comment. You can see the line number 25. This statement of code will be executed along this class. If you like to comment it, simply type /* just before that, so that this entire line of code will be commented. To uncomment, remove the /. This will be very helpful just to describe a line of code, like if what this code written for. If you like to just refer a variable details, or if you like to describe some line of code, you can use this single line comment statement. Well, this is all about how you can write comment line. I have shown it for Java perspective. You can try it for other language as well.